practice and get with your questions. What are the questions you are unable to do? Please let me know so that I can help you, Raghav.
Ma'am, I'm just doing IMO questions.
Yeah, very good,
Just
very good. Please share your questions. Any difficulties you are there, and just to draw the question on the screen. This is the given figure is given. What is the figure here? It's a straight line given, and there are straight line angles are created like that. There are two more line segments meeting at a point O and makes an angles. Here the angle is. This is meeting point is called O. This they said as A. This part they said as 2A. And this part they said as A by 2 plus, what is that number, Raghav? A by 2 plus?
A by 2 plus 2 degrees.
2 degrees, okay. That means A by 2 plus 2. And above angle is nothing but A by 2 minus 2 degrees. Yeah, wait children, I'll call the student. Gohit, what is complete angle, Gohit?
so, ma'am,
What is complete angle? Suppose.
ma'am, complete angle is like completely 180 degrees.
No, I'm asking a straight, I'm not asking about straight angle. What is complete angle?
360 degree.
360 degrees. Is it correct? Yes, I got one answer from the. Yeah, if you know, please, you have to suppose to answer through chart. Children, solve and give the answer through chart. You need to find. Yeah, you need to find the value of A here. Come on, children. You supposed to add A plus 2A plus A by 2 plus 2 plus A by 2 minus 2. Total complete angle is nothing but 360. Plus 2 minus 2 becomes 0. A plus A is
A by 2 and
3A plus A by 2
plus A by 2 is nothing but 2A by 2. 2A by 2 is nothing but A. Its 4A is nothing but 360.
Ma'am, it's 5A by 2. Ma'am? Ma'am?
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, you're on.
Not here, but ma'am, we cannot see your screen. It is blurred and
Ma'am,
is
I can see your
but your
screen.
voice is not hearing, ma'am.
Ma'am, we cannot hear you.
Yeah, ma'am.
Can she hear us?
I think she has network issue.
No.
Ma'am, she has internet issue.
Yeah, she's probably having a connection issue.
that's what.
She left.
No, actually she's there. Ma'am is there.
Yeah, you see, children, is it any doubt here?
Actually, we cannot hear you from 2 minutes.
Ma'am, you have stopped the sharing.
Ma'am, and your screen was blank and blurred.
Okay, just a minute. Right now, are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now it's visible.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I got the same answer. Ma'am, actually, I have a doubt. 3A. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Continue.
Any doubt, children? Why I'm taking this half of A by 2, A by 2 together? What is that value?
Ma'am, 2A by 2. So we can cancel 2 by 2.
So it's A. Just half of A. Half of A is nothing but 1A, children, right? Very good. I got the answer from Shiva Pranav. Very good. Please put in the answer in the chat box, whatever answer you're getting. Next
Ma'am, tell
question.
him to give
You privately join. You're not there in this meeting, ma'am.
Okay. Next question, even 13th question. Raghav is there in the classroom.
yes, ma'am, I'm there.
Yeah, Raghav, what other bits you have doubt here?
I actually solved the questions till the 11th one. So I have to solve the questions from the 12th one, ma'am. So I just wanted the.
Yes,
so
yes, please listen. We will continue because the other students also need it, right?
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, and sorry if I was rude back then, ma'am, but sir told us that we'll do revision in these 10 days.
Exactly, revision part only, children. Nothing to rude. You're supposed to share this week completely. Sir also gave only revision part. We're supposed to go with that. Please share every day. Shall we go with the chapter? Today we are going with the lines and angles. The same manner you will practice in home to same thing, children. If you have any other doubts also, please practice your book and your IMO books, your foundation books, textbook. Different
Okay,
sources you got to practice. If you have any doubts in lines and angles, okay. Shall we go with the revision part only today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that lines and angles revision today, children. Next part. Second one. Yes. What type of lines these two are? Yes.
Lines.
Wait, ma. Wait. Don't tell.
Sorry.
Answer. Yushin, what type of lines these two are?
Ma'am, wait, ma'am, I forgot the name. It starts with con, right, ma'am?
Yeah.
C-O-N.
Yes.
Ma'am, I forgot the name.
Ma'am, can I do?
Wait, Raghav.
Ma'am, wait.
Kept in chat box.
Or else I will just put. Yeah, please. If you want, you can put in the chat box. And continue. This is AB line.
Ma'am, I
This
forgot the
is
name.
ED line. This is EF line. These all three lines are meeting at a point O. So here this part is given as X, and opposite to another part of this angle is given as 31 degrees,
Yes, ma'am.
and this is 40 degrees is given. Please, you need to find the value of X here. Ishan, please give what are the supposed steps we have to follow here.
Yes, ma'am.
First, take the lines CD and EF are what type of lines?
Ma'am, again, I forgot the name. C.
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am,
Is it
can I?
intersecting? Is it intersecting lines?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
they are intersecting lines.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I tell the value of X?
Yes, Ritvik, not X value. I want what type of lines? C, D.
Ma'am,
and
they are
E.
intersecting lines. I kept in chat.
If
These are all
any two
intersecting.
lines are intersecting, how many angles are formed?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Ma'am, there are 6 angles formed.
Ma'am, can you?
No, just these are the intersecting lines.
Oh, see, ma'am, intersecting 4 angles are formed.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good. So suppose this is angle 1, this is angle 2, this is 3, and
Angle
this
3
what
and
is the
angle
relation
4.
between this?
Ma'am, they all add up to 360.
Yeah, this is
Ma'am, because it is
360.
a complete
Is it
angle.
any,
they had-
wait, Ritvik, wait. Is it any relation between 1 and 3?
Yes, ma'am, they are
Yes, ma'am.
Vertically opposite angles.
1 and 3 are equal. They are vertically.
Ma'am, 1 and 3 are vertically opposite angles.
Very good. One
Ma'am,
and three are-
DOB and COA are equal. AOE and FOB are equal.
So from this, what you're supposed to take, you can just see here.
Ma'am,
What
we can see the 180 degrees. So 31
Ma'am,
plus
to-
40 is.
Ma'am, we have to add, ma'am, we have to add 40 to 31, which will give us 71.
71 and
That gives us 1 angle.
minus
71 plus 71 will give us 142. And then we have to subtract 142 from 360, which will give us 318. Ma'am, that'll give us 218. And then we have to
think
divide
it is
that by 2.
71.
109, ma'am. The angle is 109.
Okay, let me
Ma'am,
check.
71
So
plus
119, 1 minute more, 109. It's not
Yes,
109.
109, ma'am. I said 109 only, ma'am.
yes, ma'am, that's what. Ma'am, I did in the way of 31 plus 40 is equal to 71. 180 minus 71 is 109.
Yeah, that's only correct. Why we are taking angle
Ma'am,
X
actually,
is
Ishan told like 71 minus 36. Sorry, 360.
No, I said 30. I said 360 minus 200 and no, I said 360 minus 100.
children, listen here. It's a very interesting question. The whatever the angles are given, this angle is given. Just a minute. Yeah. You just take this as a straight line. If it is straight line, so sum of this complete angle is nothing but what, ma?
Ma'am, this complete angle will 360, but Ma'am, 180,
no.
sorry.
180 degrees.
180, sorry.
So here, which one is straight here? You just take which one we can take it as a straight angle here.
Ma'am, 40 and X, 31, 40 and 31.
Okay, why? One minute.
AOB.
We will remove that part so that you can understand step by step only. Now you have to see. This is your question actually.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what page is this? Are we doing this from the textbook on what page?
No, it's not textbook. IMO book, right? Yes, IMO book page number lines and angles are 13.
Ma'am, I don't think I have the IMO book.
Okay.
Ma'am, I do
Yes,
have one.
Raghav shared the ma'am the papers, so ma'am is taking our revision.
Oh no, Raghav is the sharing. I think IMO books even you too have, right?
Is
Children?
there a PDF, ma'am? We can have an online PDF.
Yes, you can download PDF.
Ma'am, I
I'm
am
just doing each and every.
published
Sir,
thing.
download the PDF of IMO children.
Ma'am, what publishing brand is it? I think I can get a PDF from online only, ma'am. What publishing brand is it?
Ma'am, we cannot download the PDF from online, ma'am.
Online mode is also some amount to transfer means they are going to give some part of online material, right, Raghav?
Yes, ma'am, but we have to buy it.
Yeah, the buying is only maybe it's I think 70 to 100 rupees, right?
Ma'am, 80 rupees.
Okay. Yeah, in schools we are giving 70 rupees the books. Maybe it's
Ma'am, online we can just find a free PDF.
You
Yeah,
just
that's what,
find
but
out
we should buy that PDF.
PDF IMO always the payment is needed. I think Ishan. Free papers or question papers are free. I have if anything is there with me, I will just share with you children. The just images I'll take and I'll share with you. Yeah, I'll share today. Ishan, I'll share with you so that you can.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Next here, how you supposed to calculate this x angle means just see children, x is nothing but what type of angle x is nothing but with any angle is vertically opposite here. Only two angles I supposed to take first, then I will go with the different. I'll remove some line, just a minute children. AB is a straight line children. If you take as AB as a straight line from here to here, what are the angles makes 180? These three angles together makes 180. So this,
Excuse me, ma'am.
Raghav?
Ma'am, can I explain?
Yes, so it's already done. Once it is over, your concept is over, right?
That is 90 or 40.
Ma'am, actually, the question, the X is still the B line, ma'am. Till the A or B.
Don't think about x, ma. Don't think. First, you have to find out this value. This is vertical. Whatever vertically opposite to this angle, only vertically opposite to that, right?
yeah, ma'am. First we have to find the O value, then we can automatically find the X value.
X value. O is vertically opposite to x. So that 40 plus, we don't know angle O plus 30.
31.
1 gives
40 plus
180
angle O plus
degrees.
31 is equal to 180. 71 plus
Is equals to
71 plus
180
angle O
minus
is equal to
71 is equals to
So it
109.
will be 109.
That is wrong.
By
Ma'am,
using vertical opposite angle, we can tell that X is equals to 109.
ma'am, actually that is wrong, ma'am. I just saw the question really carefully because the X, the angle of X is extended till the B1, ma'am.
Ma'am, I did
B. Oh, it's not till D.
Yeah, ma'am, it is still B, ma'am.
1 minute. I'll let me observe.
Ma'am,
Okay,
it is,
then what happens means you're supposed to take here 31 also. You're supposed to include 31 also, Raghav.
no, ma'am, actually X angle is given, right, ma'am? The angle extends till above 31, ma'am.
Or else directly you can go like that. If it is x plus 31 together.
Yeah, no, yes, ma'am, it is like that, the angle.
Oh, sorry. Okay. So therefore, what you have to take here, x plus 31 gives 180, right?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, we can, ma'am, we
what
can,
we have to do is the 40 is vertically opposite to FOB, right? So that is also 40. And now we have to find the value, ma'am. We get the value as 109, and as the x value extends till there, we should add 40 to 109, which will become 149.
Yeah, it's 70. 40 plus 31 gives how much? 40 plus 31 is?
Ma'am, 40 plus 31 is 71.
71.
But he is telling that
71 plus x is equal to 180, right? No, so unknown angle is 1
Ma'am,
Yes,
71
as it is extended till the below line, we have to add 40 also to it, ma'am. I think.
Yeah, ma'am, so it will be 149. 109 plus
1
40 is
minute,
equal to
children, 1 minute.
149.
Let me draw the figure. 1 minute. Let me draw. This is the line. Just a minute, children.
Ma'am, can you draw a clear image?
Yeah, this is AB, children. This is a straight angle. AB is given. Observe carefully, children. I won't give most of the explanation. Please observe carefully. This is a line AB, and another line CD intersect at O. Another line CD intersect AB at O. Okay, then one more line. This is CD. Another line like EF is intersecting another line. Okay, this is the way a picture is given. Now here, what are the things are given in your question? You just let me write that. A, B, C, D, E, F. Observe carefully the pictures, student. Now, A, B, below the AOE is given. This is angle AOE is given as 40 degrees.
And 40 degrees.
So what is vertically opposite to angle AOE?
Angle
FOB.
FOB.
FOB, so it is 40. Okay, then
and
then
angle FOD.
BOD
is
is
given as
30.
Ma'am, FOD angle is 31 and
COA is also 31.
31.
is also 31. Right.
Yes,
Now
ma'am,
this
it
is given as X.
yes, ma'am, it is X and this is O.
Now
X
this
plus 40 plus 31
Ma'am, X
is equals to
same thing only
180.
we will get, right? Children, same thing only we will get here too, if you do
yeah,
like
ma'am,
that.
X is equal to 109.
Yes, ma'am.
180. X equal to 109.
109 because
Raghav, if you do like that also same answer only we will get, Raghav.
Excuse me, ma'am. Actually, can I tell in Telugu once?
Yes, please.
అది ఎక్స్ యాంగిల్ FOB వరకు ఎక్స్టెండ్ అయి ఉంది మేడం.
No, Raghav. COB is X, right?
Actually,
C.
no, ma'am, the angle from COF it is extended till COB, ma'am.
Ma'am, but how come it is CO?
1 minute, ma. 1 minute. The picture is given like that. The COB is the X angle. COB is the X angle. Whatever the angle, Raghav, it may be.
Ma'am, but I'm getting the answer same 109 for 109 X.
Raghav,
Ma'am, then we have to add 40 to it also, no, ma'am, because according to the vertically opposite angles, as it is covering that part also, I think we have to add 40 also. Ma'am.
no need, Raghav. Why? Because Raghav, I will tell. Why we supposed to no need to add here means let me help. See here, this is as you said, ma'am. This angle X is till here you are telling, right? COB. This is X, right? Raghav.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
What I am telling, to find the value of X, I am taking this straight line. This straight line. That means 31 plus X plus 40 gives
Gives
Ma'am, it
180.
will give 180, so that is
already included. He said, Raghav said, ma'am, X is till here X, B, this is also X part only, he said, right? Then no need of counting 41 here. No need of. We can X plus 31 gives 180, right, Raghav?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, but here the options 109 is not given, ma'am. 149, 101, 71, and 140 is only given, ma'am.
Maybe the picture what I think it is correct. The angle is given
Ma'am,
there.
1 minute, ma'am. Otherwise, I'll check the answer in my Olympiad workbook, ma'am.
Yeah, please check once and come back. X plus.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, but how I can extend COB, ma'am? Because
Is it 149? 1 minute, Nana. 1 minute. The picture is given. COB is given as COB is given as X. That's why let me write whatever the angles given in the COB is X. Angle COB. Angle COB is X. To find the value of X,
Excuse me, ma'am.
X plus 31 gives 180. So if X plus 31 gives 180 means 180 minus 31, it's 149. Its value 149. Option C, B is correct, I think. Raghav?
Yes, ma'am. It's showing that option B is only correct 149. Since
One-
COD is a straight line, therefore BOC plus BOD is equal to 180, which is a linear curve, which implies x plus 31 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. X is equal to 180 minus 31, which is equal to 149 degrees, ma'am. So, yeah, that 149 is correct, ma'am.
149 only. Why? Because X angle is extended till C angle COB is nothing but X. And we have some part of this part we as given in the question 31. So if you want to find out the X value, X plus 31 gives a straight angle. So X plus 31 gives 180, X equal to 149. Right, Raghav?
not understanding this problem.
Ma'am, even if we take the vertically opposite angle to like E or B, ma'am, then we need to add like 40 to it, ma'am, the answer.
Yeah, EOB. If you take as EOB angle, EOB. EOB means vertically opposite to
Actually, sorry, ma'am, it is AOE to FOB, ma'am.
AOE to
Um, FOB, ma'am.
that's why we are taking that angle as 40, right? But no need here.
Yeah,
No need that 40 only, no need here. Given whatever the given, this complete part is given as X. COF is given as X means X plus this part we can make it as a straight, right?
Ma'am, I'm not
Yes.
understanding this problem. Can you explain that?
What is actually here the question? No need of finding a complete portion, children. Very simple, very simple. This is what type of lines? Vertically opposite lines,
Ma'am, they
right?
are intersecting lines, right, ma'am?
Intersecting lines and vertically opposite angles are equal here, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What happened? This vertical, this intersecting lines cut by another line with this is AB, another line cut it here, and meeting these three lines are meeting at point O. These three lines are meeting at point O. But question is given. This is of course AB. This is CD. This is EF. That's why you should be careful in the examination also. If such a varieties of questions, you have to observe carefully. Here, what is given? This complete region is given as X, children. This complete region is given as X. This part is given as 31. To find the value of X, no need to find any vertical, any opposite, any nothing. So AB is a straight angle. Since AB is a straight angle, 31 plus X gives 180. 31 plus X gives
180. 180
And
minus 31.
no need to find any vertical, any nothing we don't want, children. You just go with directly. X plus 31 gives 180.
149.
No, sometimes what they are giving confusion, they said that they are
Ma'am, we
giving
understood it.
yeah, this is 31, that's why opposite to 31. This is 40 is given in the question. So 40 vertically opposite to 40. But no need of this 40 also. We don't want this about 40. We want X plus 31 gives X plus 31 gives 180. To find the value of x, that's enough for us. Only opposite to 31 angle, what you supposed to take? Suppose BOD is 31 means COA is also 31. If you know that, we can go there. Next question you see, children. It's also very interesting question, the 14th question. There is a PQ and RS and UT are parallel lines. What are the lines given? There are different lines. PQ is one line and PQ is UT is one more line which is parallel to that, and RS is also one more parallel line here, and these parallel lines are meeting somewhere. This is one more. Observe the pictures, children. What is PQ here? You just let me write the PQ.
Ma'am, can you show the question so we can copy it?
Yeah, PQ. This is PQ. This is RS. This is RS. This is UT. This is UT.
Your voice is a little bit low.
Angle C. This is angle D. Angle D. And what other angles are given? B and A. A, B angles are given. This is angle A. This is angle B. This is angle B. I will come back and discuss. Now you have to think here in the given figure, PQ, RS, UR are parallel lines. If angle C equal to 75, where is angle C? This angle is given as 75 degrees. Angle C equal to 75. And angle, A equal to 2/5 of C. A equal to 2/5 of C. So A equal to 2/5 of C means 2/5 into C value is how much?
75, ma'am. 75. So it will be 15. 2 into 15 will be 30. So the A value will be 30.
So if A is 30, A is 30 degrees. We know that A value is 30. Then B plus D by 2. Find B plus D by 2. So you need to find B and D by 2. B plus D by 2 you need to find out, children. You have to find out angle B plus angle D by 2. You are supposed to find out. This is your task. To find out angle B, anything, children, parallel lines means this is you just think as
Ma'am,
a
angle 30. Angle 30 can be 150, right, ma'am?
Children, if it is parallel lines, think as a transversal. Think as a transversal. Transversal means angle B equal to
180, 150.
Ma'am, where is angle D?
this is
Angle D is R.
Okay,
R angle D.
Ma'am, the A and angle D will be alternate, ma'am.
A and D are alternative. Very good. Very good.
Alternative interior angles are always equal.
So it's obviously 30. Angle D is 30.
Always, yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
D will be 150.
ma'am, but it doesn't look like it's 30 degrees, ma'am.
No, actually, you just see here, Harini, if you extend this as a transversal, little down, you just see, already it is given as a parallel lines. Already it is given as this parallel line cut by a transversal. This means you just imagine now as, no, here if it is, we are taking as a 30 and 30. 1 minute.
Ma'am, but then there is a line next to 30 which is
1 minute, 1 minute, ma. 1 minute. Let me complete. So if we are taking here interior angles, what are the angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Ma'am, angle D is 30 no ma'am. So we have to do 30 by 2, which is 15,
Same
right?
side of a transversal, if you use angle B, how much you will get, children?
Ma'am, same side of a transversal 150.
150 plus half of
Ma'am, 150 plus 15. 150 plus 15. Ma'am,
150.
Ma'am.
150 plus 15.
No, I think
Ma'am,
this
is D
not-
supposed to be 30?
Ma'am, if D will be 30, then 30 by 2 is 15, right ma'am?
Ma'am?
Children,
Ma'am,
one-
actually your voice is breaking a little
Yes,
bit.
ma'am. Ma'am, in between it is just getting.
Ma'am, your voice is really breaking.
Yeah, ma'am.
She's on. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
ma'am, your screen is moving. Are you speaking, ma'am? We are not able to hear you.
Ishan, am I audible to you right now?
Yes, ma'am. Now you're audible. Before that, you were not.
yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, Ishan, see here, if you extend this transversal,
Yes,
any relation between angles you are finding, please let me know.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, B plus P should add up to
No, I think so. It's not right. If suppose I'm taking this is 1.
Ma'am,
This is not given complete angle, right, ma'am? Only 30.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, so D won't be 30, ma'am. It won't be 30.
Ma'am, it will not be 30. It will, ma'am, what is that supposed to be 6 or is that B, ma'am? I'm not able to
Ma'am,
understand.
actually the diagram is not clear. Can you draw?
1 minute, children. No, children, you are
Ma'am,
absolutely
can I
wrong.
tell what this should be the answer, ma'am?
Yeah, ma'am,
No,
that's what
B
D
is
is
not
equals to 30.
30.
So 30 by 2
No,
is
why? Because B is not going to 30. This is not given
Ma'am, the
complete
diagram
angle.
only doesn't
children.
make sense to me.
This is not given complete angle, right? If it is complete means we can use alternative interiors, right?
yes, ma'am. But we can complete with B right, ma'am. 30 plus B is equals to
No,
180.
children, think in different way.
Ma'am, it will be A plus B equals to 75 degrees, right?
Very
Ma'am,
good.
can you-
Someone
ma'am?
said correct. Angle A plus angle B equal to
70.
So 75 degrees.
wonderful, wonderful.
Ma'am, but
So
how?
you know angle A is 30.
Then angle B will be 45.
45.
Ma'am,
So if
angle
it
B
is
will
45 means what is angle D here?
Ma'am, 2 minutes. Ma'am, angle B will be 45. So it will be 145 plus 1. Yes, ma'am. 135.
135.
Yes, ma'am. It will be
Now
135.
you
So
have to
135
check. D by 2 means 135 by 2
135 by 2.
plus 45. Come on, children.
45.
Come on, do it.
45 plus 135 by 2. Ma'am, 135 by 2, it will come in decimal number, right?
Yes, ma'am. Decimal is coming.
35, half of 135, how much?
Ma'am, 2 minutes I'm doing.
72.5, children. You are taking too long time to give answers.
Ma'am, but I'm getting 67.5.
Hmm?
Ma'am, I'm getting 67.5.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
67.5 is correct.
67.
Correct,
Ma'am, it is
correct,
67.5.
Because
Okay,
it's not 145. It's
Can I answer the next one, ma'am?
yeah. What more?
Can I answer the next one, ma'am? This is Ishan.
Yes, Ishan plus 67.5 plus 45. How much?
Ma'am, 67.5 plus 45 will give us 112.5.
112.5. So here option is C option is correct.
Ma'am, can I do fully solving? Can I fully solve the next problem, ma'am?
Yes, sure.
Have a small doubt.
Yes,
Ma'am,
sir.
can you scroll a little bit? Yes, ma'am. Here AB is equal to angle C right now.
A plus B together is nothing but this is what type of alternative interiors? Alternative interiors means A plus.
Ma'am, your voice is break. Now we cannot hear your voice. Anyone can hear ma'am voice?
No.
Yeah, even I.
Ma'am,
Ma'am?
you're disconnected again, I think. The
Yeah,
Wi-Fi, I think, is really bad.
Ma'am?
It looks like she's on unmute, but she's not audible. So she's having that same connectivity issue she was having before. I think she'll leave the meeting right now and then she'll rejoin again in a few seconds.
Yeah, the same thing happened now.
She's having connectivity issues.
Yes.
Yes,
just
ma'am,
a
you're audible.
minute, I'll show-
Were you disconnected?
Yeah, just a minute. Who is host right now? Please accept me to share my screen quickly.
Ma'am, I think you somebody must have become the
Host, yeah, you should
admin
you
something.
just see and let me know who is the host.
Ma'am, I'm not able to see your screen right now.
Ma'am, Sri Vallabha.
I'm Sri
Please
Vallabha.
allow me to share my screen.
Ma'am, Sri Vallabha has to give you the
Yeah, Vallabha, please suppose because due to network, it's yeah, Vallabha.
she has to give you he has to give
Your
you
voice is little bit breaking.
Yeah, it's a network issue, Ritvik, today. It's continuously disconnected. I'm trying to connect you.
Sri Vallabha has to give ma'am the host so that she can screen share.
Yeah, Vallabha, are you there? Vallabha is there in the meet.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Please allow me to share my screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, he has to give you host.
Yeah, that's why I don't know why it is suddenly changed to Vallabha.
No, ma'am, when you
You
leave
are,
the meeting, the person who joined first will automatically get
Host.
so he must
position.
have Vallabha must have joined first before
Okay.
everybody so that
Now, yeah, very good. Now you understand, children. It's like a Z. What are
Ma'am,
all?
ma'am, I asked in my doubt. So A plus B is equals to angle C, right?
Yes, exactly. That's why we are proving this part, right?
Yes, ma'am. So yes, ma'am, I understand.
Raghav, did you clarify your doubt here? Raghav, any doubt? Raghav is there.
I'm not able to understand how B value is 45.
How?
Ma'am, can I tell why, ma'am?
Ma'am, can I
Ma'am,
tell?
can I-
Ritvik?
Wait, what is wait a minute. What's Raghav? Raghav, what's your doubt?
Ma'am, Raghav is telling how did you find B? He did not understand it.
B is given. Read the question once, please, Raghav.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. The question is in the given figure, PQ, RS, and UT are parallel lines. If C is equal to 75 degrees and A is equal to 2/5 of C, then find
2/5 of C means what is A value? Can you please tell?
ma'am, at
2/5.
30 degrees.
Yeah, 30 degrees, right?
Yes, ma'am.
We don't know B value. We don't know B value. But what we know, alternative interior angles are equal because it is given parallel lines. So angle A plus B together gives angle C, right?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
So it's obviously B value is 45.
Yeah, yes, yes.
If B is 45, alternative interiors makes 180 supplementary.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
So B plus D together 180.
Yeah, yes, yes.
So
ma'am.
angle D equal to 135.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
But in our question, they're asking to find out angle B plus angle D, half of D.
Ma'am, half of this, so 135 by 2, which we got 67.
Exactly correct. Understood, Raghav?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Now I understood. Thank you.
Welcome. Next one, Ishan, are you there?
yes, ma'am.
Ishan want this question.
Yes, ma'am. I want
We
to know.
completely give the, please explain also, we supposed to wait for your.
Yes, ma'am. I don't have the book, ma'am, so you'll have
Use
to
your whatever the rules we are using. Please all apply your lines and angles properties.
Yes, ma'am.
That's everything you can find out. This is the image given.
Okay, ma'am.
In
Ma'am,
this
can I do
image-
the next question?
yeah.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, children. I will.
Ma'am, we can also use triangle rules here, right?
Yes, anything. Your wish, children. This is angle 40 degrees is given. Very good. Even you can use triangle ASP, angle sum property. This is 67. This is angle B. So this is C is a meeting point here. It's
E
this is B.
and then angle E.
Angle
How much
A.
is this one, ma'am?
Yeah.
Okay.
See, this is for you, Ishan. Please.
Okay.
Not only Ishan, everyone should think and give. Be ready with your answers, children, but don't shout in the classroom.
Ma'am, DE and AB are parallel?
Yeah, it is given AB is parallel to DE.
Okay, ma'am. Got it.
It is
So,
parallel.
ma'am, first we can use rules of a transversal.
Very good.
So, ma'am, ED and AB, no, sorry, intersecting lines, ma'am.
No.
EB and DA are intersecting lines.
Very good.
So, EDC should be equal to ABC. So, ma'am, to
EDC should be equal to
ABC, ma'am. And if we find out EBC, then we can find out the value of DCE and EC.
Even you said one more thing, ma'am. We can even use what
Rules of a triangle, ma'am. So to find out the value of ABC, we have to do 40 plus 67, which will give us 107. Then we have to subtract 107 from 180, which will give us 73.
Okay, 73. If it is
73, ma'am. So
73 means-
this is also 73. Yes, ma'am. Sorry, there's some background noise in my place, ma'am. Sorry.
Okay.
Assist.
Please mute your mic, children. Yeah. Is it any part you just see by
Ma'am,
observing?
can I test?
1 minute, children. I'm just showing. I'll just with a different color. I'll mark so that you can understand more easily what.
Ma'am, if we continue AD, if we continue AD
Is
for
it a Z angle, children? Z angle means alternative interior angles. You can see, children, alternative interiors. Anywhere alternative interior.
Yes, ma'am. So 40 will equal to A. A will equal to 40, ma'am, because alternate interior.
Wonderful. A equal to 40. Why?
Because we can make it a
alternative-
transversal, ma'am, if we
And A
extend the
and
line.
40
Equal to
are
40 and equal to-
alternative
And
interior.
ma'am, DEC will equal to 67, as once again the rules of a triangle come in, ma'am. And because AB are parallel, E and D were going to have the same values only, ma'am.
Exactly. So that it's obviously,
It's obviously going to have the same values only from the beginning.
yeah.
We just have to
whatever the-
figure out
suppose
what the angle ABC,
Yeah.
ACB was.
Then you just say a simple pattern I will give. Wherever you are seeing like a Z symbol, either like this
The
symbol or
alternate
this
interior
symbol,
angles, ma'am.
alternative interiors you have to use, children. Please, this is my sincere advice, because most of the students you are getting with this. Whatever the thing, suppose sometimes they are going to give like a shape like a N or M. Which is this? N is also this is alternative interior we can. Yes, children, you understand the point?
Yes, ma'am.
Next figure. Raghav, any doubt here? Angle A is 40. How you supposed to get?
No, ma'am, I don't have any doubt.
Right. Next one. I think I'm unable to see the rest of the part, Raghav.
Ma'am, I actually sent it in another picture, ma'am.
Okay. Oh, I got it. Question number, what is the question number? I think it's 15, Raghav. No, it's 16, right?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Next will be 16.
Like that every day we'll discuss each and every paper here, no? Whatever, either IMO or whatever you are PG, both competitive examinations, even foundation courses, books also you can practice, children. Okay. Right, repeat. Please, once you are thorough with the question, you can put your answer in chat box, children.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I answer this question?
Yes, Harini. In the given figure, not drawn to scale, find the value of x. Okay, you need to find the very simple task. This is no need of taking much time also.
Actually, answer will be 50.
Yeah, exactly what is given figure means. Let me draw the figure. This is angle 90 given, and this angle should be equal to 2x. This is nothing but 2x. Again, this is cut it into some region. It's nothing but x. This is 3x. This is 3x. So can you find the value of x here?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, so then we have to form a statement here. The statement will be x plus 2x plus 3x equals to 90.
Plus 90 is
Ma'am,
equal to
sorry,
3.
ma'am. Plus 90 equals to 360.
Ma'am,
Why?
excuse
Why?
the answer will be actually 45, ma'am. Ma'am, and the reason for this because sum of all angles around a point is equal to 360 degrees.
Very good. It's a complete angle, children. We're supposed to find out the complete angle to find the value of x. So complete
We can add up
angle.
all. We can add up all xx, so it will be 6x plus
Ma'am,
90 is equal to
6x plus 90 equals to 360, ma'am.
360. So 6x plus 90 is equal to 360. 360 minus 90 will be yeah. 6x is equal to
270.
6x minus 90.
Is it
and so x is
270?
equal to 270 by 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Which is
270 by 6.
40 degrees.
And so it will be 40. Ma'am, again your voice is stuck.
Yes, half of 270. How much, children?
Ma'am,
Sorry,
40.
half of. Not half of. It's 270 by 6 is.
Ma'am, 1 minute. It is 45, ma'am. It's 45.
45.
This is very simple question, children. Some question, some complex figures I will give, children. I'm not going with the simple figures. I think little complex.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Which bit can we go with 18th, 19th, or some like diagrams are little different. Let me take here. The picture is like this is, I think, question is given like that. This question comes here. This line is extended till like that. There is one more parallel line here. This parallel line will be one part connected here. Okay, this is extended a little this line very clearly. Just a minute, children. I'll mark the angles so that you can see and understand what is they're asking, what you're supposed to see. By seeing only, you can answer. This is looking like a Z. This one, these two together alternative interiors. So one part of angle is given as 35. Obviously, what is the other angle, children? 35 plus 35 gives?
Ma'am, 35 plus 35 will be, ma'am,
70. Very good. Very good. So this is again given as x, children. You need to find the value of x. So x plus 70 gives what, children?
ma'am, x plus 70. Ma'am, it will be
180.
180 minus 70, so it will be 110.
110.
110. Right.
Is equal
Now
to
this
110.
is given as y, children. This is
And
given
y?
as y. If it is z angle, if it is z angle,
Ma'am, the same side of interior angles.
if it is z angle means, so you just see this is 35, this is also 35.
Fine,
Right?
ma'am.
35 plus y is
Ma'am, 35 plus y will be 180
180.
minus 35, so it will be 145. Ma'am,
y
sorry.
is 145.
Yeah, ma'am, 145.
So what is the question here? Question is you need to find the values of x and y. X equal to 110, y equal to
145.
X is equals to 110, so y is equals to 145.
Any doubt
Ma'am,
here?
it is also easy, right, ma'am?
No, ma'am.
Any doubt? No. Raghav, any doubt here?
No, ma'am, no doubt.
Okay.
Ma'am,
There is,
this is also easy, no, ma'am. You told you'll give complex.
then only the thing sometimes you will directly by seeing only you will get. Sometimes if some part continuously, we know the law also, we are thinking more and more. But all the only basic thing for this, only rules, children. This is one more figure given in your paper. There are three parallel lines are there. There is a quadrilateral build in this three parallel lines. AB is a quadrilateral here. This quadrilateral, how it is built means.
Ma'am, it should be end with
One minute,
another
one
line.
minute, maybe. This is a quadrilateral.
Ma'am, it's not a quadrilateral. Oh, yeah, ma'am. Yeah, now it is.
in between this. There are the given points. I'll just let me know the points. So this is angle 48 is given, children. This is angle 48 is given. This is angle 66 is given. What they're asking, they're supposed to name the figure, children. Let me, ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral. And the lines are like EF is a line. This is a EF is a line. GH is another parallel line towards EF. GI or GH, is it GI?
So EG will be parallel line and CF will be IF will be parallel line.
Ritvik, just a minute, please mute yourself. And Gohit, are you there, Gohit? Gohit. Yeah, Gohit, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
Gohit, this is a figure given. They're asking whatever the question is given, AD is parallel to BC. AD is parallel to BC. This is parallel symbol, children. AD is parallel to BC. Condition is given.
Yes, ma'am.
And JDK, JDK means this is JDK. JDK and GHCI. GH, any point, this point is given H, GHCI. The second line, children, GHCI, middle line. And another part is given as a EABF. What is the third line, children? EABF. Okay, these are the straight lines and parallel lines. This is the only condition given. What you're supposed to find here means what you're supposed to find here. Raghav, what you're supposed to find?
That's what I'm saying.
No,
Ma'am,
question
they are asking what are you supposed to
Is
find.
the ma'am? We did the figure which is beside the 16th one, ma'am. That is only the continuation of this. This is just the figure, and after that they are asking the question with this figure, ma'am. Oh no, ma'am. It is we have to find GHD minus HDC and BCL plus HAB, ma'am.
Oh, conditions in next page is given. Right, I got.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sorry, children. I got confused. ZHD, you're supposed to subtract with angle HDC. This is one part you're supposed to find out. GHD means GHD. This angle minus what you should do, HDC. HDC. You have to subtract these two angles. Suppose this is 1 and 2 means you have to subtract angle 1 minus angle 2, children. Okay, if you want to subtract angle 1 minus 2, what is the value you're supposed to find out? And another condition is given as
Angle 2 for
BCI. Gohit, please think about how you're supposed to get this angle. BCI plus HAB. BCI.
Yes, ma'am.
BCI. BCI, I'm taking this is a third. BCI HAB. HAB. This is your fourth angle. You're supposed to add angle 3 and angle 4. You need to find out these things. This is second question. This is first question. To find out 1 minus 2, what you're supposed to know, you need to
Ma'am,
know.
are we doing for the from the foundation books, ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am,
yes,
I don't
yes.
actually have ordered the books, ma'am. I don't know why they aren't coming.
No need of buying books also. We are doing on the screen the images, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please think here. Think and give. Suppose, can I take as Z plus 48 together gives, 2 plus 48 together gives 1? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Why? Is it alternative interiors?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Raghav?
Ma'am, if you look at angle A, ma'am, the fourth angle, is it 66 degrees because it is corresponding to B angle?
No, if it is 1 means 1 minute, Raghav. If it is a vertically opposite means if you take as a 1, we can't take here. Just a minute, please think sometime, children. Please think sometime. Some part what Raghav is said, maybe it is angle 4 should be 66. Why also you have to give the reason here?
Yes, ma'am, because
No, in quadrant, adjacent angles are supplementary. Is it adjacent angles are supplementary? So that can we take with the 44 plus 66? It's not
Excuse me.
adjacent. It's not adjacent. 1 minute, Kana, 1 minute. Yes, alternative interiors. It's like a Z angle means if you take, yeah, why it is 66? Can you say the reason, Raghav?
because the fourth angle is HAB, right? And the other 66 degrees is on CBF. So it is corresponding to angle CBF. No, right?
Wonderful, wonderful. Angle 4 and angle 66 are corresponding angles. Very good. So that angle 4 is 66. If you know angle 4 as 66, what is the other angle here? Any other angle you can find here?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Angle 1.
Angle 1 is also very good.
66.
No, not 66.
No, that's outside. Wait, no.
This is supplementary.
It will be 114.
114. Good. Someone said it's 114. So
Ma'am, it will-
114 plus 66 makes 180. Very good. It's the same side of a transversal. Interior makes supplementary. So
It
if
will
it
be
is one,
vertically opposite.
So vertically opposite to 114.
Ma'am, which
so
page is
Ma'am,
this
it will also
for?
be 114.
We can
114 minus 48 gives angle 2, right?
excuse me. Angle 2 is like alternate, right?
Angle 2 plus 48 gives a 114. Why? Because alternative interiors. This is complete angle. This complete angle will equally, both should be equal. These two are equal. So for that, angle 2 plus 48 is nothing but 114. Angle 2 plus 48 gives 114. So if you want angle 2, you need to subtract 114 minus 48. 14 minus means this is 6, 10 minus 4 means it's again 10 minus 66. So if it is angle 2 is 66 here, what you can find, children? You need to subtract 1 minus 2. What are the conditions? 1 minus 2. What is angle 1? 114. 114 minus 66.
66.
48.
48.
So this is first question. Second question is 3 plus 4. What is 3 here? Where is 3? Now
plus
please tell me what is
Three
Ma'am, 66. Ma'am, it will be 66 plus x is,
X is
3
equals to 180.
180. So it will be
114.
114 again.
114
Ma'am, it will be
corresponding angles.
114.
Because
Yes,
these
ma'am.
two are corresponding angles. So angle 3
Yes, ma'am.
equal to 114 plus angle 4
Ma'am, till
equal.
what time do we have the class today?
Yeah, we'll end up now. Only last question we have.
Okay,
It's
ma'am.
completely 180 degrees, right? Right, children.
Ma'am,
Yes,
you can tell
ma'am.
that angle 3 will be 114, right?
Why? Because those are corresponding angles.
Yeah, ma'am, that's what.
With respect to this line, if you take this is a transversal Z. If you take these are the same corners. Yeah. So
Ma'am,
with,
your voice is breaking so much, ma'am.
is it 114?
your voice
Angle
is
3 equal to 114. Please mute yourself, children. Please mute yourself. Then only I can reach you. Any other doubts? That's all, children. There is another figure is given. Just let me draw the figure. So quickly you can answer that. Just a minute, children. This is it's given this angle. Yeah. This part is extended.
Your voice is breaking, ma'am.
1 minute, children. We will end up the session after this question. Please stay with me. This is also a very interesting question. Geometry, really, if you know that, you will enjoy, children. Only 3 properties. Based on 3 to 4 properties only, we will completely do here. And this is the figure given to you, children. This is the figure. I just mentioned the names. What are the angles given? What is the names? What any relation, any parallel lines conditions are given. This is PQ. This is PQ. This is PQ. And this angle is given as 150, children. This angle is given as 150. This part is given as Y. This part is given as a right angle, L angle. L means what, children? L means what? Right angle, right?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
So this other part is given as X, children. This other part is given as X. Then what is the given condition? PQ. This is RS. This is RS given. And this is U. This line you can take it as U. UQ. That's all.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I think we extend the line on RS. So then, as it is given as 19, it's a straight line. Can we take it as 90? We'll assume that as x, and already one x is given. So 90 plus x is equal to 180. So 90 plus 2x is equal to 180. 2x is equal to 180 minus 90, which is 90. X is equal to 90 by 2, which is 45 degrees.
Wonderful. That is one way. Is any other way is there, Raghu? You just think is the other way is there?
Yes.
Is any other way? That is also correct. That is what you said is absolutely correct. Is any other way is there? Please think. Most easier way is there. Please think.
Yeah, ma'am, is there because 90 and x will be formed as a 180. So x will be 180.
Okay.
And y we can find.
No, children, if this is, you just think I will take with some other color. So more simple you will get here. This complete angle is straight angle, right, children? This complete is straight, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So this part is given as 150. What is this region, children?
30.
180 minus
30 now you have to think, children. This 30 plus y can be equate to x plus 90. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So is any relation you will get here? Please let me know.
Yes,
children.
ma'am. 30 plus y equals to 90 plus x.
Okay. What is the values of x and y we supposed to find out, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Is any other relation you will get here? Suppose if I'm taking like x plus 90 equal to 30 plus y. So if I'm taking x.
And I got the answer for y also, ma'am. 90 and y are corresponding. I mean, alternate. 90 and y are alternate.
Yeah, ma'am, they form a Z.
Yeah, exactly. Wonderful. Wonderful. Very good. 90 y equal to 90. If y equal to 90 means what is the x value?
X equals to 30.
30.
Exactly correct, children. Exactly correct. Why? Because if you see this angle, 90 plus y is alternative interior. So y equal to 90 degrees. Y plus 30. So 90 plus 30, 90 plus 30. Again, once again, x value is 30. X is 30, y is 90. That's all. Which option is true here?
And he asked us to find the value of 8x minus 2y.
So 8 into 30 minus 2 into 90, right?
Yeah, yes.
So it 3s are 24.
minus 180.
So what is the value, children? 240, 60. Is it 60, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Option A is correct, Raghav.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Option A is
Correct. That's all, children. Now please go through the rest of the bits.
1 minute.
Excuse me, ma'am. I have a doubt, ma'am.
Which
Ma'am,
question?
how did the x get equated to 30, ma'am? It's 45.
No, which one? Which one you are telling?
X value, ma'am.
X value, you just see, not only this two makes an alternative interiors, even RS, SR is parallel to PQ is given. So even this also makes an alternative interiors are equal. That's why I'm taking just you see this complete line. 30 plus Y gives X plus 90. Based on that condition, I got X value as 30. It's
Okay.
not,
Yes, ma'am. Now I understood.
yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
As you said, this is one pair of alternative interiors. This is one pair of alternative. Not only that, if you consider another part means this is also one pair of alternative interiors. Right, children, that's all for the day. Please go through the complete chapter lines and angles. If you have any doubts, we'll discuss tomorrow too. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Thank
Please,
you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice
homework, please.
Bye, ma'am. Have a great day.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a great day.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you, children.
you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a
Then
nice day.
please find the IMO paper through online also. It's a very less cost. I think 80 to 90 rupees, or obviously earlier last year it's only 70 rupees, maybe 10 rupees it is extra this year. You just please take that download PDF. You just, they will provide you if you pay the amount. Please go through the questions, not only foundation books also, even topper also. You just please go through the figures.
Yes, ma'am.
Please the sums and come with your doubts tomorrow too. Okay,
Excuse me, ma'am.
Raghav?
Ma'am, can you send me these kind of sums, ma'am? I want to practice.
Sure, Raghav.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Have a nice day.
Yeah, sure, Raghav. I'll post in the group. Please practice.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, welcome. Bye. Bye, children. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, children. Bye. Ritvik, any doubt, Ritvik? Ahana? Ahana? Ahana, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. No doubts, ma'am.
Only the based on 3 main points, Ahana, here. Only what type of lines, just transversal angles made by a transversal property is very important. And what is complete angle, what is straight angle, what is a right angle? Yes, Ritvik? And alternative interiors, anyway, that is angles made by transversal visa. But you think a lot here. There is a table figures you have. I will share today anyway. Raghav is asking about the practice. I will share the figures. Don't worry about that. Don't see the figure, ma'am. What is this terrible figure? Don't think. Only the concept is very, if you think, very good. If you think, you will get answers. Please
Okay,
practice. Right, right.
Okay,
Shall we
ma'am.
end up
Thank
then?
you.
Bye.
Have a good day.
Thank you. Thank you so much, student.